Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up your Razer DeathAdder mouse. First, take your Razer DeathAdder mouse and plug the USB connector into an available USB port on your computer. Once the mouse is connected, your computer should recognize it automatically. Basic drivers will install on their own, allowing the mouse to work for normal movement and clicking right away. Now it is time to install Razer Synapse. Open your web browser and search for Razer Synapse. Download the latest version from the official Razer website. When the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen steps. You may be asked to sign in or create a Razer account. Complete this step to continue. After installation, open Razer Synapse. Inside Razer Synapse, click on the mouse icon. You will see options to customize button assignments. Click on any button shown and choose the action you want it to perform. This is helpful for gaming or everyday use. Next, adjust the DPI settings. DPI controls how fast the cursor moves. Lower values give slower and more precise movement, while higher values give faster movement. You can also change the polling rate. This setting controls how often the mouse sends information to the computer. Higher values give smoother tracking. Once you are satisfied with all settings, close Razer Synapse. Thanks for watching.